Hey guys, good morning. Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Friday, March 2nd, and you guys will be seeing this Saturday, March the 3rd. I just got home from Walmart. This haul was $120. I think I mentioned maybe last week or the week before, I'm trying to stay around $100, as close to $100 a week as I can. Normally I'd spend closer to $150 or $200, but because we are moving in a few weeks, I'm really just trying to use everything up in all my freezers, my pantry. So this haul was $120. I'm gonna start in the back. Cat food, which I've talked about this before. My cat is obsessed with this stuff. My only complaint is that it's expensive. It's like $10 a box, but it is what it is. I got a half gallon of the Stonyfield organic whole milk. We don't drink milk. I use it for like recipes or soups. So this will be the last thing of milk I have to buy before we move. I got a shrimp ring. There's cocktail sauce in the middle, so we'll eat some of it that way. And then whatever's left I'm gonna use on a salad this week. I also pack these for my husband to take to work with a little cocktail sauce as well. So it's kind of like 3 little times we're gonna be able to use it. I got the Stonyfield whole milk, strawberry beet and berry pouches for Grady. I grabbed these Doritos. I've never tried this flavor. They're the ranch dipped hot wings. So if you've tried these, let me know if they're good, because I just love me some Doritos. I grabbed some Icy Hot because my husband hurt his knee and needs this for his knee. I got some sweet Hawaiian hot dog rolls. It's like the King's Hawaiian sweet bread, but the Walmart brand, Sam's Choice, for hot dogs, because we're gonna do hot dogs and hamburgers this week with some friends. I got some organic spring mix for salads, some Yoplait strawberry and strawberry banana yogurt for Grady. I got some of the Jimmy Dean all natural sausage, some fresh basil, which I use for my roasted veggies each week. I grabbed this, it was actually, wow, I saved more than I thought. So apparently this is normally, it says I saved $3.30, but it was $2.70. They're like 2 large personal pizzas. There's a cheese and a pepperoni, so I thought this might be good for the weekend when we're home packing, just to throw in the oven for a quick lunch. I got a French baguette from the bakery. These are great. I usually cut the loaf in half and then we'll have it as like a little side dish for a couple dinners. They freeze really well, and they're really good when you heat them up in the oven. Got a big bag of green beans for a couple sides, and I'll probably roast some of these with my veggies this week. A big zucchini, a red pepper. I got some red pepper hummus for dipping because I have some veggies left over from earlier in the week that I'm gonna do a veggie platter with this weekend. I've never tried these, but I'm excited to. I've seen them a couple times. They are the Nourish bowls, and let me tell you guys, they are very large. This is the sesame sriracha. It says broccoli, cabbage, carrots, kohlrabi, snap pea, brown rice with sesame sriracha sauce. So it looked interesting, and I figured this would be a good lunch option for me next week on a day when I'm not going to be leaving the house. It's very big though, but I'll let you guys know how those are, how it is. I got some wasabi and soy sauce almonds. I just love these. The flavor is so good. My normal tomatoes that I buy usually every week or every other week that I roast and also put on salads. I got 3 like protein little pack things for my husband's lunches next week. So this one is the turkey almonds, Monterey Jack, and blueberry covered, or yogurt covered blueberries to throw in his lunch. I also got him this breadstick, cheese, and prosciutto one for a side next week. And then this Hormel turkey, Asiago cheese, and crackers. He makes like little cracker sandwiches. Again, just some snacks for next week. I'm out of my yogurt granola phase that I was in, but I do have enough granola for like 3 more yogurts, so I don't want to waste that granola. So I did go ahead and just get 3 more yogurts. This is the Harvest Peach, the Strawberry Banana, and Pineapple. I think I mentioned too when I was in my yogurt kick, for yogurt, I don't like Greek yogurt. It reminds me of sour cream. But when I do eat yogurt, I like the Yoplait original. So I don't like the light one or the sugar-free one. I like the original one. So I got 3 of those. A dozen of brown cage-free eggs, which I'm gonna boil up the whole dozen this weekend for hard-boiled eggs. My husband loves those. I got about a pound of large red grapes. I got a Snapple apple and a Snapple mango tea just to throw in my husband's lunches a couple days next week. Our normal white cranberry strawberry ocean spray juice. Our Duke's smoked sausage. I love these. I get asked a lot where you can find them. besides Walmart. To be honest, guys, it varies everywhere. I would just Google it, or I would just go right to the Duke's website. I've ordered flavored ones of these before. It's just dukesmeats.com. I love these. I like the original. I like the Hatch chili. But yeah, you can get all the different flavors, and they have a lot of products online you can order right from their website if it's something that you think your family would enjoy. I grabbed some of these Little Debbie Easter cakes. I don't really buy a lot of things like this, but I decided why not, and they kind of looked good. I did go to the store very hungry, which is always a no-no. I got some almond sweet and salty granola bars by Nature Valley, a thing of Kraft mac and cheese. Possibly make this with the hot dogs and hamburgers, because Grady will have a little bit of this with a cut up hot dog. I got a Capri Sun Roaring Water, the clear version juice boxes. I pack these for Matt's lunch. I give them to Grady. I drink them. I really like the Roaring Water ones though. I don't know why. I think they taste better. I got some fruit snacks. These are just like a Scooby-Doo one. I got some toasty Cheez-Its. If you've never tried these and you like Cheez-Its, I would run out and get these because they are really good, the toasty flavor. And then I just grabbed a big bag of chips. Again, lunches on the go. I like to grab a bag once in a while when I want something salty. So I grabbed that because I won't be going to BJ's or anything before I move. So I think that is everything, guys. Again, $120. I think that's a really good deal for all of this. And I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the week. Okay, guys, meal plan for the week. Sunday the 4th through Saturday the 10th. One night I'm going to make the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe recipe. I love that recipe. I'll link it down below, the one that I use. It's just off her website. I love the brioche rolls from Walmart, so I put it on there. I'll make a salad and some baked potatoes because I have potatoes to use up. We are going to grill one night, turkey burgers and hot dogs, and I have pierogies to use up, so I'll make pierogies, and I'll probably throw together some kind of like veggie platter with dip or salad or some kind of green. I'm going to make shrimp Caesar salads. I already have the Caesar dressing, I have the lettuce, and then I have the shrimp from the shrimp cocktail. And then we'll have some of that crusty French baguette bread on the side. One night we're going to do chicken wings on the grill. I think I have 2 packages of those jumbo chicken wings that I get from BJ's, so we'll grill up 1 pack on the grill. We're going to be getting a stretch of nice weather. We'll grill up some veggies and then some rice. And then I've been trying to do a meatless dish once a week. Not for any particular reason, just kind of why not. And I still have, I think, 1 or 2 more pie crusts to use up. So I'm going to make a quiche with cheddar and roasted veggies with a salad. We're going out to dinner with friends on Friday or Saturday night. I'm not sure yet which one. And then, of course, I have my night for breakfast or leftovers. So I'm trying to keep it easy on myself and, again, use up everything that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.